Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable safety and emergency settings in Redmi Note 13. So guys, for this feature, first of all, go to settings and here we have option of safety and emergency. So just tap safety and emergency. After these are all the information which we can provide. So first of all, go to medical information, write your name, date of birth, blood type, height, weight, and in more we have many other medical information. After that, we have emergency contact. Like if our phone is locked and we are in emergency, we can contact someone by clicking on add contact and select the contacts from here. After that, emergency SOS. So if we tap 5 times on the power button, so we can have call emergency service, share info with emergency contact, or we can record the video too. We have emergency location service here. If we enable the location, so it will be notified. After that, earthquake alerts, unknown tracker alerts. So these are the, by the way, safety and emergency settings which we can do in Redmi Note 13. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.